In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste content in Constant Contact, whether you're crafting the perfect newsletter or uploading your meticulously curated contact list. Knowing the right way to paste content can save you time and ensure you maintain the integrity of your content. Let's begin by discussing the basics. Selecting the area where you want to paste your content. This could be any part of your Constant Contact dashboard where content pasting is possible. Common areas include text blocks for your email campaigns, link input fields if you're adding hyperlinks, or even when you're importing details into your contact list fields. Selecting the correct space is essential because it dictates where your pasted content will reside, impacting how your audience will interact with it. Once you've pinpointed the area for pasting, you have a couple of options. The first method involves using your mouse. Simply right-click on the desired area. This will open up a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Paste. This is a straightforward method, especially if you're not completely comfortable with keyboard shortcuts or prefer using a mouse for navigation. Alternatively, if you're well acquainted with keyboard shortcuts or are simply looking for a faster method, you can use the shortcut keys. On a Windows computer, this involves pressing Ctrl and V together. If you're using a Mac, you'll be pressing CMD and V simultaneously. These keyboard shortcuts offer a quick and effective means of pasting, especially if you're working on a large project with multiple pasting needs. Each method has its own advantages. Using the right-click approach gives you the opportunity to visually confirm your action, which can be reassuring and helpful in preventing errors, especially if you're new to using these tools. The keyboard shortcut, on the other hand, is exceptionally efficient, allowing you to continue working smoothly without breaking your workflow. This factor can be a great time saver, particularly for those managing big campaigns or intricate contact lists. One important thing to remember, regardless of the method you choose, is to ensure that your clipboard contains the correct content before pasting. Double-check your copied material to avoid pasting something unintended. A little due diligence here can spare you from potential hassles later on. Always keep in mind the format of your pasted content. In some cases, especially when pasting from certain documents or external software, the content might need a little tweaking to fit seamlessly into Constant Contact's platform. Ensuring a clean transition not only aids in maintaining presentation quality, but also elevates the overall user experience for your recipients. There you have it, everything you need to know to paste content in Constant Contact like a pro. By mastering these pasting techniques, you can enhance your efficiency and increase the quality of your digital communications. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to apply these tips the next time you're working on Constant Contact.